And the fact that they're baked and it's tofu, it's extremely healthy. You can just feast away on these tofu spring rolls. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mariam Shibly, and today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite Ramadan staples, spring rolls. Now there's a little twist on it because I rarely eat meat nowadays, so we made the spring rolls with tofu, and it's so easy guys and still so delicious. I can't wait to show you. This recipe, you'll need 2 packs of 20 pastry sheets, 1 bag of coleslaw salad mix, 1 brick of dry firm tofu, 1 onion, 3 garlic cloves, 1 green onion bunch, sesame seed oil, soy sauce, chili pepper flakes, black pepper, salt, and olive oil. And remember guys, if you like what you see, subscribe below so I can continue making more videos for you guys, and I would really appreciate your support. Let's start with slicing the tofu into sections and pressing down on each one to get rid of moisture. Let it sit on each side for about a minute or two until it's crisp and brown. Remove the tofu and place it inside a food processor and ground. Then go ahead and let's sear our chopped onions. Once the onions turn light brown, go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and mix. Go ahead and add your crushed garlic into the mix and mix into the onions. Then we're going to add our grounded tofu and let it coat well into the onions and crushed garlic. Once that's been mixed well, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. And then we're going to add about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and mix well. Now we're going to add our crushed black pepper. I like to add a little bit more than usual because it's Asian based. Let the tofu mixture cool on the side, and we're going to warm up our wok with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and saute our coleslaw salad mix. Let the salad mix sit for a while and toss in the oil well, and then we're going to go ahead and add our green onions and mix well. Let's go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil and add 2 or 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. I like soy sauce a lot, so I like to add in 3 tablespoons. Now let's add 1 teaspoon of chili pepper flakes. If you want it to be a little bit hotter, you can add 1 teaspoon and a half. Then add your crushed black pepper to your liking, and if you'd like to add salt, feel free to add. But remember, soy sauce has plenty of sodium and salt, so I don't like to add any extra. Now we're going to add back the tofu mixture into the coleslaw salad and mix it around very well. Once it cools, we'll be ready for spring roll assembly. How good does that look? You're going to whisk 1 egg in a bowl and use it as egg wash, and then you're going to take your square pastry sheet and place it in the diamond shape. Take about 1.5 tablespoons of spring mixture and place it towards the bottom corner. Roll up the bottom corner as tightly as possible to the mixture and take each side and fold it in as tight as possible without ripping the sheet. Now brush egg wash onto the folded sections and continue to tuck and roll forward tightly. Near the end, press egg wash onto the remaining area and wrap it completely. And there we go! Repeat until all the pastry sheets and mixture is finished. Spray oil on both sides and bake these at 350 degrees for about 7 to 10 minutes on each side. Okay guys, they're all ready. I'm so excited to eat this. You can either eat this with some sesame sauce or chutney or any tamarind sauce. It tastes so good. I am so excited. Delicious. Guys, and if you enjoyed this recipe, you have to try my shrimp zucchini noodles. It's so healthy. And you definitely have to check out, if you're expecting, my pregnancy essentials and healthy pregnancy video. I'll talk about what really works for me and what didn't. And definitely check it out below. Bye!